CBT nuggets, RHCE, सी.डी. the Linux kernel. My question about this section is that when we want to have a server with specified goal or specified tasks that we expect from that server, is that what is the minimal of the Linux kernel that we want to set up, or what is the minimum of requirements that we should be set up and configure it on that server, or basically we need to do this or not need to do. At the other hand, we can ignore it, and in the Linux we shouldn't dose attention that we have in Microsoft base. I want to say that in a Microsoft development strategy we have tasks. We want to minimal the core of our operating system smaller and smaller and smaller. If we want to design a topology for our servers in Linux, we should care about the minimum requirements or not. Or if we install all of the modules and RPMs and install a kernel in full mode, did we have any problem or not? CBT nuggets, RHCE certification series, सी.डी. of 2, the Linux kernel part 2. We have requirements RPMs for configure, compile and install custom kernel. If you want to fire the server and make it useful for our needs, we require the RPMs that we must install. If we install other of these RPMs, did we have any problems? Or if we haven't installed one of these RPMs like CPP, our problems is our problems. For example, in next video that we discuss about Apache, we have a list of main packages that we must to install them, that you see in this screen: HTTPD, HTTP develop, HTTP config, HTTP manual, HTTP Perl, Python. My question is about if we don't install module Perl or module Python in a web server, in a popular web server, what is our problem? In the many of the site that we have, we don't need to install Perl or Python. In those pattern, did we have any problem, or